guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a private server on Discord. Super simple. Private channel. I don't know why I said server. Private voice channel on Discord. So if you want it to be a voice channel, I'm just going to create a channel under voice channels here. Select the voice one, name it like admins only or something. I don't know, it's up to you. Then I'm going to enable the private channel and I'm going to press next. Here you can also add members and roles to put in your private channel. For instance, this role and this role can go in this channel. You can also do that for text channels as well. Here, select text, enable private channel, admin talk. Next, add in members or roles. You can also add in just members. I can't add myself, so here under members, maybe it's only me and the wheel of names, so I'm just going to add that there. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.